Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really great to be doing another video for you guys. I am really glad to be doing this video. I really enjoy doing this video. So guys, today basically what I've been sharing with you is basically some of the apps that I've been earning with, and just all everything has been going and all of that. I'm just gonna just share with you guys. So basically, if you're new to my channel, basically what I do here, I just share with you guys all I earn online with cryptocurrency, stocks, yield, basically just all I earn online. Basically, you know what, guys? Like a lot of people earn um like at a other people earn like in the workplace, so maybe you work in a factory, a restaurant, or stuff like that. But for me, basically I earn online. So I'm just sharing with you guys how I personally do that, and sometimes I just drop in basically what I've been doing in my day. So as you guys realize that I overlap my videos, so let's say I'm doing like dishes or stuff like that, I just go ahead and share with you. So yeah, because I don't want it to be so boring, because most of the times I'm just talking like I'm doing now. I don't want it to be too boring, so basically I just overlap my videos with basically chores or stuff like that. So yes guys, so yesterday we go into the Giving apps and I show you guys basically how I've been earning with those, and you know basically how I'm gonna move forward with those earnings. So yeah, so I know you guys must be thinking from the other day I haven't been sharing any of my trades with you guys, but I want to explain to you guys what I do basically. So I am more like a swing trader or an investor. So or I will invest in like bonds or GIC. Those are the stuff that I do long term investing. I'm not the day trader or the scalp trader. No. I'm more like holding my trade for days upon days or weeks upon weeks, even months upon months, over year. That's me. That's the kind of the way I look at it, because I just like seeing the money just growing. I don't know. I just like seeing that. I don't like to see. Yeah, so that's why basically I invest in good quality things. I don't like, yeah, and I'm more gravitate towards yield. Yeah, so whenever something as a heal or I'm earning um passively on that thing, I'll go for it. And yeah, I will really start small. You guys know me, I start really small, and I will inch in, and grow my portfolio from nothing. You guys know me, I am famous for using cents to grow my portfolios. As you guys see, when it comes to, I wish I show you guys in all my videos, I use cents to grow um $1,000 portfolio. Yeah, that's just me. I like to see it grow. For me, it's just like planting. Like I like planting. I like to plant the seed, and then over time I know that it's gonna grow. That's just, I don't know, it just make me feel good. So that's just me. That's how my brain works. I think everyone is different, so that's how my brain works. Guys, I know I'm rambling. Okay, so what I want to share with you today is, guys, so wait, I need to say this. So yeah, my trade has been doing good. Trades are doing good. So yeah, but the thing is, um I am kind of see where or I can earn with these money making apps by doing survey and playing games right now. They're I'm gonna show you guys. Like, I can't say it, I'm gonna show you so you're seeing it. So I'm gonna go into my survey app. So yes guys, so I'm gonna go into the Qmee first. So basically what's going on, guys, we're in the period where surveys are just like these these blue chips companies, they are paying you guys right now to complete survey. Even the government, because most of the surveys I do, the government want to see if you're able to buy a house or how much you're earning, what the size of your family. So there's lots of surveys like that, guys. There are a lot of like government based surveys, like if you're able to um how much you're earning, and they want to know all of that, even how much you're spending on grocery. Like, guys, these surveys are really easy. They might take some times, like, but they're really easy. Like, they just want to know basically your personal information, not really personally, but they just want to know like how stuff is doing. So yeah, so guys, you can see all this survey just ready, and this is just one app. So if I go into now the um Zap survey, you guys can see that I have been earning like non-stop. So I haven't done a cash out yet. So as you can see, when it says cash out, I haven't, but earning, I have been earning every day. I have been earning. Like, there's no day that I'm not earning. So yeah, so basically you guys can see that there are lots of surveys. You can see there are a lot of surveys. As you can see right there, perfect match, great portfolio match, great portfolio match. Like, guys, I'm telling you, right? So the cash out minimum is, I think, $25. Yeah, $25. I will be taking those out in PayPal. Talking about PayPal, I'm gonna show you guys my PayPal, how much I have in there from collecting this money. So yeah. So yes, another survey app that I cashed out just a few days ago is the I no it's the IC, but I have to put in my password. I don't want to go into that right now. So I'm gonna share with you this one, AttaPoll. Yeah, so I did take out some earning in AttaPoll um just a few days ago. So yes, guys, right now after I finish this video, I'm gonna edit it, and then I'm gonna go straight into completing survey. So I'm going to you guys can see. So yeah, I have been earning on this also. So yes, guys. So guys, um that's what I want to share with you today. Just basically all I've been earning with these survey apps. So I have cash out to do some like coins and my free cash account. So you guys know that I invest in cryptocurrency. So the cryptocurrency market is just being still, then it goes a little move down, and still a little move up. So it's just basically ranging, and I am just dollar cost averaging. You guys know already, I when I invest in cryptocurrency, I basically take out my earnings with money making apps, and then when I have enough, I normally go and stake, or I normally go and earn yield, or I normally keep it until it's profit, until as profit, then I sell, and then I invest back. That's how I grow my portfolio. So yes, guys. So for me, it doesn't matter if the market's gonna go down or it's gonna go all over the place. I'm just take once I'm able to take out my earnings, I'm gonna take it out, because that's how I build my portfolio. And I know that some persons don't earn like this. Some person put their money that they work into it, so they maybe are waiting until Bitcoin maybe reach a certain um point before they go and invest. Some person will just like wait until it hits that point, they go all in. Some person will set like limit buys and stuff like that. So everyone is just investing differently. Not everyone, but individuals invest a little differently. Yeah, so everyone is just doing different, and I'm just sharing how I personally do here. So I'm gonna go cash out some Litecoin. I think I can cash out $1 US. So let's go for that, and then after I'm gonna show you guys I am in my free cash account. Yeah, so uh basically I'm able to take out $1. So I'm just gonna take out $1. So yes, I'm just gonna go to the cash out section, and I already have the address that I want to use, so I'm gonna go ahead. So they now have Airtm here. Let me see if they have Payer app. They don't have Payer app, so they have Airtm. This is basically new Airtm, and they also yeah, they have Airtm right here. So that's really great. So yeah, so I have some earnings in my Airtm account. I'm gonna show you guys that as well. There's so like guys, there's so much stuff, but let me just take out this Litecoin first. So I want to take out $1. I want to withdraw something around. Okay, so I want to take out $1, $1, dollar. So that's how much I will be getting in my account. So yeah, for me, I always say this, I don't really focus on the cash value. I focus until I'm ready to sell. That's when I really care about the dollar, because I'm gonna sell it back over into dollars to pull it out, right? So that's the only time I are depending on the platform that I take it out on, I can go ahead and just convert it over to another currency if I want to. Some apps don't really offer converting. So yeah. So let's go and take this out. So nicely done right there. And that's basically it. So yes guys, I just have a 40 cents leave. So yeah. So I want to show you my Airtm account. I have an Airtm account, so it's right here. So I think there's around like less than $1 in it, about 60 something, 69 cents or something in it. So yeah. So what maybe tomorrow I'm gonna go into that, but I don't want to go to my PayPal account, and then I'm just gonna end this video. So yeah, my PayPal. Okay. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how much I have in my PayPal account. I think I have about $50. So yeah, and this is all from money making apps. So you guys realize, okay, so approximately $60. So you guys realize that I do take out cryptocurrency like every day. So um if I could say I'm earning PayPal money, and I'm also earning cryptocurrency, and I want to share with you this app also. It's called the Drop app. All of these apps are on my channel. I go over them and show you guys, but I just want to basically share with you guys how you're able to basically just if you're using this app, the Drop, all the links that I mentioned will be in the description down below. If not all, just comment and let me know. If I talk about something and I haven't put the link, let me know so I can give you that link. So yeah, so here in the Drop app, you can go ahead guys, and you can go ahead and invest in cryptocurrency. So let me show you. So you can just go ahead and go like this, and then basically they will ask you how much points are you willing to um invest, and you just put the coin right there, and you go and invest. When the price of the um goes up, then so as you guys can see, I did basically, as you guys can see, I put 5,000 coins, and I take out 5,264. So I put a profit. I did go ahead and try it out just to see how it works. So yes guys, so I will be doing that. But before I do that, I want to cash out a gift card first. And the minimum to cash out a gift card is 25 coins. I have 33 coins, so 33,000. 25,000 for the gift card, and I have 33,000. So um yeah, so what happens when it comes to the gift card now, guys? So there's a waiting period for the gift card. So if I press redeem right now, there you can see down at the bottom here that they say basically gift cards are sold out, next drop on September the 28th. So if you want to set, like, if you're using this app, maybe you want to set an alarm or something just to remind you that um this is the time that the gift card drops, so you can go ahead. If not, it's gonna be sold out on you, so just to keep that in consideration. So it has been solding out on me all the time, all because I'm a late bug when it comes to cashing out on this app. Or sometimes I forget this app. For sometimes I forget it. So that's why. But that $25 Amazon gift card would be really nice. So I'm gonna set the alarm so I'm able to get it. So guys, basically that's the end of the video for today. Stay tuned tomorrow for another video. And before I go, guys, I just want to say thank you so much, and also always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.